Welcome back to another episode of Golf Cart Experts. I'm Mike with Golf Cart Tire Supply. Today we're going to be installing a heavy-duty clays basket on our EZGO TXT. The tools you'll need for today's installation are a 1/2-inch socket and 11/16 socket. The first step in the installation is going to be removing the bolts from the roof struts. To remove the roof struts, you're going to need your 1/2-inch socket. We're going to be doing one side at a time because once you remove the bolts out of here, your roof strut and we have a brush guard on here are going to want to drop. After you get your bolts removed, you're going to grab the included bracket to be able to put it on the cart. For our specific installation, we're going to go in between the roof strut and the brush guard, and then we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Once you have the brackets installed on both sides of the cart, the final step in the installation is going to be setting the basket. If you use the included hardware, this is how you'll finish the installation. Once you have the basket attached, make sure that you have all the hardware tightened down and your installation is complete. If you'd like to purchase this, the link will be in the description. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching today's video.